Good morning, kids. Welcome to Upper Public School. Welcome to your maths class. I am your math teacher, Vaibhavi. Today, we are going to learn about our new concept, that is division. So, before this, you have learned about addition. In addition, what we do, children? Addition is nothing but putting up the quantities together. So, in addition, you learned about regrouping with two-digit addition and regrouping of three-digit numbers. Same as in subtraction. In subtraction, you came to learn about the uh, subtraction of three-digit numbers with regrouping and subtraction of two-digit numbers with regrouping. As well as in multiplication, you learned about how to read the tables, how to form the groups, and how to form the uh, tables. Okay, so what we do here is, here we are going to learn about our new chapter, that is division. In the division, what all we are going to learn? Let us see one by one. So first topic, what we are going to learn in division is division as equal distribution. What we are learning? First we are learning division as equal distribution. The next concept is division as repeated subtraction. You know, kids, you learned about repeated addition in the chapter multiplication. Do you remember? Yes. In the same way, we are going to learn about repeated subtraction in division. Next concept is long division. Okay, here we are going to learn how we are going to carry out the long division for big problems. Next, we are going to learn about relationship between multiplication as well as division. Okay, now before going to the chapter, let us see what do you mean by division. What is mean by division, children? Division is nothing but you are sharing the quantities equally. That means you are dividing. What you are doing? You are dividing. That means you are sharing. So let us see one by one. So before going to this, we will see what is the definition of division. So definition of division is nothing but to find out the number, how many times it is contained in the other number. You will understand this definition as we are going to see with the example. Okay, so now I have a number, for example, I have 15. So now I should know in which number, which table your 15 is falling. I can say 3 as well as 5. So I can say 3 as well as 5. What is the definition of division? Division is nothing but a way of finding how many times a number is contained in the another number. Now, how many times? This is my number. I should find out this number, how many times it is contained in the another number. It is 15 is contained in 3 as well as 5. How? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, and 3 fives are 15. In 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, and 3 fives are 15. How many times your 15 is contained in 3 number, 3 table? How many times, children? It is 5 times. So in 3 we have 5 times, and let us see in 5 how many times it is contained. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. How many times it is contained in table 5? Can anyone tell me? Yes? Yes, it is correct. It is contained 3 times in your 5 table. 15 is, this 3 is contained 5 times, and in 15 is contained 3 times. This is nothing but a way of finding how many times a number is contained in the other number. So let us consider another example. I will give you a Example, you need to take a try and tell me for 8. How many times? Let us see. It falls under 2 ones are as well as 4 ones are, even you can take. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So how many times it is contained? It is contained 4 times in 2 table. And in 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this is contained 2 times. This is what is the definition of division. It is way of finding how many times a number is contained in the other number. This is the definition. I hope your definition is clear. So next we see the next concept, division as equal distribution. So here the concept itself says whatever quantities you have to share it equally. Distribution is nothing but you are sharing it equally. What you are doing? You are sharing it equally. Now let us take an example. I have 2 friends, X and Y. I have got 2 friends, X and Y. Now, X has got 4 chocolates. X has got 4 chocolates. So, X has got 4 chocolates. Of course, he is very happy. But Y is not having any chocolate. So, because of this, Y is very sad. What he is? Very sad because he has got no chocolates. Now, what your X does? He is going to share his chocolate. However, he got 4 chocolates. Yes, he got 4 chocolates. So what he does, he is going to share 2 of his chocolates with your Y. Okay. After sharing, what equal number of chocolates we have? X and X. X is having 1. X is having 2 chocolates. Y is having 1 and 2. Both are same. Whether both the X and friends are having same number of chocolates? Yes. Both are having 2 chocolates each. So, I would explain you with an example. I call upon one of my friend. Okay. My friend is here. Okay. She is my friend Ranjita. Now what I do? I have got 2 sweets. I have got total how many sweets? I have got total number of sweets as 4 sweets. What I do is, she is very sad because she doesn't have any sweets with her. I am very happy because I have got 4 number of sweets. So what I do? I give her 2 sweets and she will be happy. Let us see whether she will be happy or not. Ranjita, please take these 2 sweets. Thank you. Okay. Now this is how we are sharing. See how many chocolates do I have? 1, 2 sweets. And she is having how many? 1, 2. That means we have shared the sweets equally. Whether it may be sweet or whether it may be chocolate or any item you want to share equally. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So this is how we carry on equal distribution. Now I gave you one more example. I have 8 stars. How many stars do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I have 8 stars here. What do I do for these 8 stars? I ask you people to distribute these 8 stars among your 4 friends. 4 friends. How you are going to distribute among your 4 friends? Okay, let us name your friends as A, B, C and D. What are the names of my friends? A, B, C and D. Now, your 8 stars has to be distributed equally. Keep in mind, you have to share them equally. How we are going to share? For A, how many stars you are giving? 2 stars. Yes, this is done. For B, another 2 stars. Very good. For C, another 2 stars. And for D, another 2 stars. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Total also we had here 80 number, which has been divided among all your 4 friends equally. That means 2 stars has been divided equally. That means you're sharing your stars or sweets, chocolates, whatever you have, you're sharing them as equally. So this is how we are going to learn about division as equal distribution. Okay, I hope the concept is clear, kids. Next we go to repeated subtraction. Division as repeated subtraction. Okay. Division as repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. What do you mean by repeated subtraction? How we are going to learn? What is repeated subtraction means? In multiplication, whether you learned about multiplication chapter? Yes, we have learned multiplication. In multiplication, we come across repeated addition. I'll explain in brief the concept of repeated addition. So I have got 6 stars. Out of this 6 stars, what I am doing, I am first identifying the groups. I group them as a group of 2 each. So first group, second group, and third group. Yes, these are groups. These are called as groups, and these one unit is called as an object. Okay, so one group has 2 objects now. So how many groups are here? 1, 2, and 3. So what I have to do is 2. I have to find out total how many stars are. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Total, kids, how many stars do we have here? 2, 4, 6. Is it correct? So this is the concept of your repeated addition. So in the same way, we will find out what is repeated subtraction. Okay. So we learn about repeated subtraction. So repeated subtraction is nothing but it is a method of find out equal number of items. How we are going to, whether the items are equal or unequal, it is a method of finding out equal number of items in a big group. So what we do is, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, what I do is, I consider this group as here. So we can simply say it is a method of finding out the number which has to be repeatedly subtracted from a big number until the remainder is 0. Remainder is nothing but the answer is 0. So what we are doing, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 balls here. How many I have got? 16 balls. I have got 16 balls. Now what I do, I am going to identify the groups. So what I do, I group 4 balls as one group. So this is your first group, this is your second group, this is your third group, and this is your fourth group. What we do is, I am identifying the number of groups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total there are 4 groups. Okay, what I'm doing? I am taking 16 balls and I am making their groups. I am making 4, considering 4 balls as one group. Here I have got first group, second group, third group and the fourth group. Now what I do is, first I have to go for here repeated subtraction. We need to find out this by repeated subtraction. First what we do is, what is the biggest number? I have biggest number 16 minus 4. What is 16 minus 4? Total 4 balls. Every time we have to take 4. 16 minus 4 gives us 12. Again this number 12 minus 4 gives us 8. 8 minus 4 gives us 4. 4 minus 4 gives us 0. So it is nothing but jumping back from a big number to the lowest number. What is my big number here? 16. I am jumping to the lowest number is 0. I am repeatedly subtracting big number from the number of groups so that I get 0 until my remainder is 0. So this can be simply written as 16 divided by 4. So this will give us, this 16 divided by 4 gives us 4 4s are 16 gives us 0. This is the way how you find that. Simply we can write, I'll show you using the number line also. I'll show you, then it will be clear. So, you learned about number line, children? Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So, what was 16? I had 16 balls and 4 groups. Okay, I said it is jumping back from a big number to the lowest number. So my group is, how many objects do I have in one group? 4 objects. So what I do is 16 minus 4 will give me, this is minus 4 will give me 12. 12 minus 4 will give me 8. 8 minus 4 will give me 4. 4 minus 4 will give me what? 0. How many times we are carrying out this repeated subtraction, children? That is 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. How many times your subtraction is carried out here? 1 time, twice, 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. We are carrying out this operation for 4 times. Okay. This is jumping back. You're jumping back, right? You're jumping back from a big number to a lower number. So, I'll give you one more example. So, you have to do it on your own. Okay. I have got 9 apples here. How many apples do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many apples do I have? I have got 9 apples, right? So, total objects I have is 9. Now, I identify the groups. So, I identify each group containing 3 objects. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now what I do is, I carry out repeated subtraction. 9 minus 3 will give you 6. 6 minus 3 will give you 3. 3 minus 3 will give you 0. How many times I am carrying out here the operation? How many times I am repeatedly subtracting? 3 3 times. Total 1 time, 2 time and 3 times. So I hope your repeated subtraction is clear. Now we have covered equal distribution, division as equal distribution and repeated subtraction. Thank you, children.